Assalamualaikum friends, here is Happy New Year text effects for Photoshop, but these are protected password in this app. Here is my Facebook page. You can follow me on Facebook. Last is my Telegram channel, Sheri official. I will provide every link of video first here, and open this in Photoshop. You see here is editable text, and here is a main object 2023, last folder of background base, editable text. Just you write any wishes or write any offer of 2023. Here is you can change everything. First you need a font new year. May the coming year be full of opportunities. Okay, so that's mean you can edit everything. Now second is this one. You can write same thing here. Here is our object. Okay, take care, Allah Hafiz.